Many student athletes struggle with the tough decision to finish college or launch a sports career. Reporter Kirsten Sibley has more on why some UH players choose the ball before the books. Former UH Warrior All-Star John Ursua got his big break after his junior year to head to the NFL. He is now a wide receiver for the Seattle Seahawks and has no regrets on missing out on his degree.
It was a great opportunity. Obviously, the pros is obviously you get to make a little bit more money.
According to the NFL, only 4% of college athletes get the opportunity to turn professional. That's why players like Ursua strike when the iron is hot. However, most of them do so before earning their degree.
The league has always been the end goal, and for me, just a dream come true.
Most players enter the draft before earning their degree. NFL regulations require that players have at least 3 years of college play before entering the big league and, of course, making the big bucks. Major League Baseball also follows the same trend.
It's kind of about money. As a junior, you still have a year to play college baseball, so you can turn down any team that offers you a certain amount. After your senior year, most teams know that you have no other option other than to stop playing baseball.
UH officials say they support their athletes who dream of making their sport a career, but hope many consider coming back to earning their degree.
We advocate for it because we're an institute of higher learning. And also deep down we know that professional careers don't last forever.
Players like Ursua will plan on fulfilling their dreams on the field first and then in the classroom.
It's a fallback just in case football injury ends early. I think it's important for you to have your schooling done.
For UHMTV, I'm Kirsten Sibley.